Welcome to Cineverse, to join the universe of cinema with me, Radhika Kabra. Next, we're going to talk about is art direction. Art direction is something which gives life to the frame. Whatever your story is, it can be said through the art or the set design on the backdrop of your frame. अगर आपकी कहानी में लिखा है कि एक भिखारी था, वो अपने घर से रोज़ भीख मांगने निकलता था. अब आप एक भिखारी का घर कैसे दिखाओगे? मे बी thatched roof, torn curtains, very ugly looking things in his place, old bed sheets, old walls, weathered out cements, right? So how do you know this? आपने imagine किया है या आपने देखा है, right? So this is where art direction comes in. An art director, after receiving the script and the shot division, sorts out the frame, the look and feel of the particular frame and researches about it. So when the research is done, you need to know about the era, the look and feel of the frame and what the story is going to convey through the frame, right? अगर एक भिखारी का घर हमें दिखाना है, अगर हम एग्जैक्टली उसे हूबहू दिखा दे वैसे ही, और अगर हमारा शॉट शुरू होता है कि अपने घर से निकलता है and people don't question कि ऐसा क्यों है, your job is done. They are not questioning because वो ऐसा ही होता है, and you have succeeded in creating that, right? So here where the set designs comes in. So what you need to do is when you get the script, research about it. चाहे वो अभी का हो, पुराने ज़माने का हो सेट या फ्रेम या स्टोरी, या कोई स्पेशल रिक्वायरमेंट हो, you need something very huge like on some sort of a helicopter, or in your frame, or any big house, or anything, any special requirement which you get in your frame, you get that, put in the look and feel in your frame. For that you need prop listing, you need your color palettes ready, you need to have discussions with the technical team how they're gonna have the color palettes ready, work upon that, collect those materials, have a mock done before the shoot, and finalize your director that we have thought this is this, now what is in your mind. So director gives you a brief after the script, you research, get the props, set the frame, set the backdrop, do the color palette and the testing thing with the director and the DOPs, and then you shoot. Along with set design, one thing comes into very much consideration is the costume. For example, if we take an example of the series called Gullak. The series Gullak has this lower middle class family which is so much rich in his art and his background and his costumes that it leaves you awestruck that ये तो बहुत ही effortless था. उसका एक एक कैरेक्टर, the way he thinks, the way he looks, the way he perceives, उस अकॉर्डिंग उसको कॉस्ट्यूम्स है. मतलब यू कैन नॉट मेक आउट कि उसके कॉस्ट्यूम, लाइक इफ़ यू सी द वेब सीरीज उसका ये तो ऐसे होता है एंड योर जॉब इज़ डन, राइट? सो अगर आप एक पंडित को शिमरी कपड़े पहना दो तो पंडित नहीं लगेगा. ऑफ कोर्स ही हैज़ टू हैव अ सेंटली फील, अ सेंटली लुक, कि वो लगे कि वो पंडित है, राइट? सो दैट एज अ कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर is a very important job to know what your character is, how he perceives things. So background क्या है ये भी comes into story आता है, right? So if you do your costumes on point, people will appreciate it as an art, right? Because if anything goes the other way, like if you do it anything other than what the character feels and looks, वो आँख में आएगा, and then that will be questionable and not perceived by the audience correctly. So the art and the costumes, these are the two things which are to be most researched of, tried and tested, and then approved by the director. Next, we're going to talk about a director's role in the production process. Now we have done everything which is needed for the shooting part, and now we come when we shoot a film. So how a director acts there when you shoot a film is what we're going to talk in next episodes. So do stay tuned. I'll see you next there. Thank you.